The beautiful Rachael Rhodes from ITV2, Ibiza Weekender.
Something a little bit heavier for you ravers and misbehaviours. Clubland is coming to the O2 Academy this Saturday. You're actually fighting for a title that night, aren't you? What title is that?
Featherweight World Championship.
The weekend is upon us and it is my job to tell you exactly where to find the party in Liverpool.
Let's do this!
Afternoon, it's Rach taking you through your Saturday. What's going on? I've got River on the way, but first is Justin Timberlake's latest. It's filthy. The clothes are absolutely unreal. We've had the first rounds of models and oh my goodness, they are to die for. Hi, I'm Rachael Rhodes here with the Guide Liverpool, and as you can probably see, this isn't my usual attire, but I am so excited because I am here in the world famous chocolate factory, the Chocolate Cellar with Bala. Hi, it's Rachael for the Guide Liverpool, and out of all the team, I am the only one who had the guts to come and face the tallest travelling sky ride in Europe. It's in Liverpool, it's in the village, and I'm a little bit scared.
It's Ben from Capital Breakfast, and I'm here with the lovely Rachael Rhodes from Capital Weekends.
Hi. I kept calling my boyfriend Babe, and she said that reminds her of a sheep pig. So, like, how is that? That's a diva thing to do.
Okay, we're not Diva Vogue yet.
I'm not a diva yet. Also on Friday, it's one of the biggest and most talked about launches of the year.
I think it was great to see Liverpool from up above.
It'll get you smiling. Okay, so on Saturday, the bitch is back. Is that a new tune out? Well, you just have to wait and see. This weekend, DJs Anton Powers, Liam Hinks and Little John are providing the tunes. Doors open at 10 PM and last entries at 1. Like, literally, we are waiting so long, but he is hinting at things on Twitter, you know? Now, this is my idea of a good night out. Pizza and cocktails.
It's a short.
Yes, please. Check it out. It's Bruno Mars and Cardi B with their latest tune. It's called Finesse on Capital. So after the big launch on Wednesday, Sugar Hut is now open. It's an amazing spectacle to make your Christmas night out that extra bit special. How is that cool? Make sure you watch Ibiza Weekender on ITV2.
She is always right there when I need her.
It's Capital for the Northwest and North Wales. My name is Rachael Rhodes. What's going on? Now it is freezing cold outside, so let me know how you're going to spend your Saturday afternoon. You want to make the most of it, and make sure you're sticking around because I've got Post Malone on the way with Rockstar. That's coming up for you next.
Rachael Rhodes. Capital.
It is going to be boss.